And speaking of crime, the country's murder figures continue to escalate. TVJ's Giovanni Dennis has more in this report.
Data obtained by TVJ News revealed that 1,093 persons were murdered between January 1 and September 10 this year. This works out to an average of 4 murders daily. This is 221 more, or a 25.3% increase in murders compared to the corresponding period last year. 54 persons were murdered in the first 10 days of September. August was the bloodiest month on record with 167 murders. February recorded the lowest with 86. A breakdown of the data showed that St. James continues to be a crime hotspot with 205 murders recorded, up from 172 in 2016. Another parish under siege by gun violence is Clarendon. There have been 113 murders in the parish since January 1. It was followed by Westmoreland with 101, St. Andrews South with 100, and St. Catherine North with 91. Other divisions grappling with an increase in murders are St. Catherine South with 73, Kingston Western with 71, St. Andrew North with 43, and Hanover with 47. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.